Hi everyone! I hope you're enjoying the beautiful spring weather. It's in the middle of the cherry blossom season in Japan. Trees are all in pink. Petals fall on the ground, creating gorgeous sakura carpet. If you have never been to Japan during the sakura season, I highly recommend you to add it to your bucket list. As spring flowers started to bloom, my allergy has gotten worse. I have a running nose and sore throat, and I apologize if my voice sounds horrible today. But I promise you, today's craft will be an exciting one. It's a cherry blossom themed gift wrapping with a handmade paper sakura ornament. Let's get started. We're gonna measure the paper first. You will need enough to wrap around your box, plus to create a pleats design for the width. For the height, enough to close the bottom height of your box, enough to close the top, and to create a pocket design. Fold the paper at a little below the center in height-wise. This is gonna be the bottom of the pocket design. Fold to the opposite direction to create a pocket. You will fold at the size of the pocket you are planning to create. Turn the paper over, then bring one of the height ends toward yourself, making sure the pocket fold is on the left. Fold up the end a little, then continue to make wider folds 3 more times. Turn the paper over and unfold everything except the first fold. Bring the second crease toward yourself to the halfway point. Then continue to do the same for the rest of the creases to create a straight pleats design. Turn the paper over. Place clear tape on the back of the pleats to secure the design. We're gonna wrap the paper around the box, making sure to position the pleats on the left side of the front of your box. Crease well at the edges. And cut off any excess paper. Place double-sided tape a little in from the edge. Then close the paper, making sure it's wrapped around the box tightly. Close the top and the bottom sections by folding each paper flap neatly all the way to the box. Crease well at the edges. To close the ends, use strips of double-sided tape for the best presentation. Once you close the top and the bottom, pinch the edges of the pleats using your index finger and thumb to pop up and enhance the design. Make sure to do this gently, not to tear your paper. Cut 4 strips of pink tissue paper or similar textured paper. The size, it's depending on the size of the sakura you would like to create. Each strip should be enough to create a petal times 5. Fold a strip at the size of the sakura petal. Continue to fold 4 more times at the same size, total 5 folds. I'm folding 2 strips at the same time to decrease my work. You can do one at a time or all in once if you feel confident doing so. Cut the paper at the last crease. Then cut the shape of sakura petal. Don't cut the bottom part of the petal, so all 5 petals are connected. Make 4 of them. We're going to create stems for the paper sakura. Cut 4 sheets of brown paper at the height of your stems. Make a lot of slit at one end. Place a strip of double-sided tape, then roll the paper to create a stem. Repeat the same steps to make 4 of them. Place a long strip of double-sided tape along the bottom edge of the sakura petals. Then attach to the stem. Wrap it around the stem while making pleats at the bottom. Don't worry to make perfect pleats. Your goal is to beautifully split and position 5 petals around the stem. Continue to wrap the brown washi tape starting the bottom of the flower to the bottom of the stem for the best presentation. You can skip this process if you don't have brown washi tape. Cut the center of the flower to the length you like. And done. Repeat the same steps to create the 4 paper sakura. Insert the main sakura flower into the pocket. Then cut and adjust the length of the other sakura flowers. Attach them together using glue dot, glue gun, or any other available adhesive. You can also adjust the direction of the flower for the best presentation. Let's also add a ribbon. Wrap ribbon around the box. Continue to create a single ball, making sure the ribbon is tightly wrapped around the box. Cut the ends diagonally. Decorate the package with the paper sakura ornament, making sure all the sakuras are positioned where you want them to be. And done! Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you liked it and try for your next gift-giving occasion. I'm going to change the schedule of my videos starting this month to every Friday US time. I'll do my best to keep this schedule, so please subscribe my channel and don't forget to tap the bell next to the subscribe button to receive notifications for the upcoming videos. Also, don't forget to share your comment in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you and what you think about the tutorial. Thanks again. See you in the next video.